How to stop random calling on Facebook Messenger on iPhone. To get started, first of all, open up the Settings application on your phone. In Settings, scroll down to the bottom of the page. From here, tap on Apps. Scroll through and find the Messenger app. Once you find it, tap on it. Inside the Messenger settings page, you will find the microphone option. Toggle off the microphone. After that, minimize settings. Now, open up the Messenger application. From here, find the person you want to stop calling. Tap on the chat to open it. Now, from the inbox, tap on their name on the top. Once you are here, scroll down to the bottom and tap on the block option. Tap on block again to confirm. You will no longer receive any calls from this person. Following these steps, you can easily stop random calling on Facebook Messenger iPhone.